In a gaseous reaction of the type A plus 2B forming 2C plus D, the initial concentration of B was 1.5 times that of A. At equilibrium, the equilibrium concentrations of A and D were equal. Calculate the equilibrium constant. तो given है कि B is equal to 1.5A and A is equal to D. From the equation, Kc की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 2C raised to the power 2 into D divided by concentration of A into concentration of B, that is 2B raised to the power 2. तो अब ये है इक्वेशन. तो इसमें एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि मोल्स ऑफ A है A मोल्स, तो moles of B is 1.5 times moles of A, and let the amount dissociated be Y moles. So at equilibrium, amount of A remaining is A minus Y, amount of B remaining is 1.5A minus 2Y, and amount of D formed is Y. Because from the balanced equation we know 1 mole of A combines with 2 moles of B to form 2 moles of C and 1 mole of D. तो अगर y moles of D फॉर्म हुआ है तो 2y moles of C फॉर्म होगा, and amount of B reacted is 2y, so amount of B remaining is 1.5A minus 2y, and amount of A reacted is y, so amount of A remaining is A minus y. Now it is given that concentration of A is same as that of D, so A minus y is equal to y, therefore A is equal to 2y, and B is equal to 1.5 into A minus 2y. So equilibrium concentration of B will be equal to 1.5 into 2y minus 2y, which is equal to y. Now putting the values in the expression for equilibrium constant, for C we get 2C, that is 2 into 2y whole square. D के लिए हो जाएगा y divided by concentration of A हो गया y, and B is 2B, that is 2 into y whole square. Solving, the value of Kc is equal to 4.